Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus, and in this video I am going to do another thing that's different, and for the first time I am going to unpack a package from Temu. So if you guys haven't heard of Temu before, they are kind of like eBay and Amazon, and I've been hearing quite a lot about this particular buying platform, and I wanted to try it out for myself. So I wanted to give some honest opinion about the functionality of it, and also just unpacking whether or not the items here are going to actually be quite durable and useful as well. So firstly, I want to start off by giving a bit of an opinion in relation to my experience with Temu. I just want to start off in the beginning to just let everyone know that I kind of didn't appreciate how it functioned, and it was very deceitful. Firstly, I was kind of hesitant in the beginning to try it out, but seeing as they have PayPal, and I have good and great trusted PayPal, because when I used to buy things in eBay and if the product wasn't great or it wasn't functioning, I used to get full refund. So I thought because it's integrated in Temu that I would try it. As soon as I installed the app, I went on it and gave me this kind of spin the wheel thing. And I kind of already had a notion that the way that this app is built isn't just like a buying and selling kind of platform, but they also make it into a kind of game. And initially I thought, wow, I was so lucky because I landed on a $200 kind of like voucher that I can spend. And here in Australia, that is big money. Okay, so I thought, okay, that's cool, you know? But then it tells you, oh wait, you need to purchase $20 worth of item before you're able to avail that $200 voucher. So I did. And I thought, let's pick some products, just random ones. And the thing about picking products is that a lot of the items that you would want is not necessarily going to be in there. A lot of the items that are available and present there are very repetitive and essentially useless. A lot of them can be useful if you really need it, but a lot of the things that I've searched for that we may need isn't really available there, unlike if you're looking for it in eBay, Amazon, or Google. So expecting that a lot of the items that I would really want to buy isn't going to be available anyway, I just thought maybe I just pick some random items that I may actually need. So I go ahead and pick some random products worth $20, and eventually I did finish the ordering, and then after that expecting the $200 voucher. But after that, I found out that that $200 voucher wasn't actually what it is. Okay, so how it looked like was $200 worth of discount if you purchase a certain amount, and it was broken down into 4 or 5 coupons. And I worked it out that each coupon worked out to around 10, 20 to 40%, which it equates to the savings of $200. So it was kind of deceitful for me because I thought that as soon as I made the $20 purchase that I would actually get the $200 voucher, but no, it's actually asking me to buy more to actually save more. And the items there aren't necessarily cheap either. Okay, so let's unpack and see whether what I have here is actually worth the money that I paid for. I kind of forgot what it was, but I will show you guys. All right, so let's go through it. Here is the package. It came in this plastic packaging. I think it's because there's only 4 items, I think. So let's go ahead and have a look at that. All right, so the first item here, I forgot what's in there. Let's just have a look. So these are actually iPhone 13 Pro tempered glass items. And I just want to make sure that they're not cracked, because previously when I bought elsewhere, they were. These ones seem pretty okay. All right, so that's not bad. That's pretty good. Overall, I think this one's all right. There's no cracks in there, which is very good, because I have bought some screen protectors that were cracked in the past in another platform, but that one's good. So far, I'm happy with that one. Okay, the second item that I got is like a wrench kind of thing. So this item, so the way it works is that you can actually connect this drill bit, okay, and you can then do a drill on an angle, kind of like that. Looks like it may work, and I hope it does. So I think this one's pretty sturdy as well, so maybe that's a good buy. I don't know. I don't know what this piece is for actually. Or maybe it's to hold that in. But for someone who does like tool, I think this is something that I will be able to use in future. So I think that one's not bad. Okay, another item that I bought right here. This one seems very strong and sturdy. Again, this is a tool that you can connect to the drill bit, and then it goes connected there. And then at the end, I don't know how you would call it, but you can sort of pinpoint a certain area that you want to like twist and stuff, and it'll lock it in for you. For those people who knows how to use tool, you'll know what I mean. So I think this one is actually pretty sturdy. So this one is also a good buy. Yeah, so that honestly isn't too bad, to be honest. I think that one's pretty good too. So far it's good, okay? And then the last one that I got here is just a bunch of Ziploc ties because I like to use it for my plants. As you guys would have known if you guys have been following my channel, I love plants. So I got some cable ties. Now this one is really skinny, as you guys would probably see there on your screen. It's super duper skinny, but it's just gonna be enough for what I need. So let me actually try one up to see whether it's actually good. All right, so let's open it up. This doesn't look like those cable ties that I'm used to using, but it looks quite okay. All right, and that's actually fine. And it's pretty strong and durable too. Okay, yeah, I used quite a bit of force, that's why it snapped. But otherwise, this quality is actually quite good for that size. That particular cable tie that I got came in 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes, and there's quite a lot. So I guess that is worth it, okay? So I think that all these products that I bought is worth $20. I honestly don't think so. I think I could have probably gone less if I bought it somewhere else. But overall, I guess my impression of Temu is that there's a bit of deceit in terms of buying from their app and just the way that it works. Okay, so I kind of don't like that factor. In terms of the quality of the product, they are pretty good, I must say. Okay, I'll just be honest. They seem like they're pretty good. Would I actually buy from them again? I'm very doubtful of that, just purely because I don't like addictive factors and deceitfulness when it comes to different platforms that I use. And if they're going to continue this phase of actually deceiving me to actually buy more things that I don't necessarily need, then I'm just gonna fall in the trap of just buying things that I don't need and just spending money. And I think that's what the company's aim is really about, you know, to generate funds through just making people buy things that they don't really need. Okay, so that's just my own honest opinion. Otherwise, all these other items that I bought, I feel like I will use anyway, so thank goodness for that. Otherwise, I probably won't be using this app anymore. I will probably just continue using eBay. I haven't even tried Amazon yet. Yeah, so that is my own honest opinion. Now, if you guys have found this useful, please go ahead and click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button. If there's any specific videos that you are interested for me to make, if it is even possible for me to make it, then go ahead and click in the comment section below. Thank you guys for continuing to support my channel if you have been with me for all this time. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye and God bless.